You got to try to manipulate it to what you want it to look like. So the next one, we got log, and then it has a base of 64, and it's 8. So log base 64 equal to 8, or log base 64 of 8. So what's the first step? Set it equal to y. And after that, what you do? What is going to be? 64 to the power of y equal to 8. So look at the bases. You got a base of 64 and a base of 8. You can't make 8 look like 64 to some power, or you can, but it's easy to make 64 look like 8 to some power. So 64 is 8 to what power? 8 to what power is 64? 8 to the second. So this would be 8 to the second with a y next to it equal 8 to what power? What power is this 8 on the other side? 1. So you got 8 to the power of 2y equal 8 to the power of 1. If the bottoms are the same, that means the tops have to be the same. And so if the tops are the same, then you set the tops equal. You got 2y equal to 1. And how you solve this for y? You divide by 2. And so you got your answer. And so y is equal to 1/2 on that one. It's going to be log, and it has a base of 4. And then log base 4 of 1. And so what's the first thing you do? You set it equal to y. Okay, and then what? So you got 4 to the power of y equal to what? So how do you make these bases the same? What's 1 to the 4th power? There you go. 4 to the 0 power is what? So instead of having 4, you got 4 to the y equal 4 to the 0. Because 4 to the 0 is equal to 1. And so what is y equal to? There you go. I see you figured it out. I thought y'all was going to spend like 20 minutes on this one. But y'all got it. We got log base 3 of 1 over square root of 3. So, what's the first thing you do? Set it equal to y. Okay, and then what you going to have? 3 to the power of y equal what? 1 over square root of 3. So how you going to break this up? You got a base of 3 over here. You want this one to be base of 3. If you flip the square root of 3, what you going to have? You're going to have square root of 3 to the negative 1. Remember, if you flip something and it's positive, it's going to become negative. Okay? It still don't look like it got a base of 3 yet. Yeah. So you got 3 to the power of y equal, the square root of 3 is just 3 to the 1/2 power. Yeah, and you times it by negative 1. Negative 1. And so this is equal to what? 3 to what power? Negative 1/2. And so what is y equal to? Why is y equal to negative 1/2? Log of y, we haven't even went over that yet. And so that's this part we're going over. So the first one, let's say you got log 5. Y'all might like this section anyway. There's no base, so you got log 5 plus log 2. Yeah, this computer got a glitch. So log 5 plus log 2. What does plus mean? Yeah, so it's going to, your answer is going to be log 5 times 2, which is log of 10. And that's it for that one. Yeah, if you got plus in between two logarithms, you just multiply the things that are in front. And so log 5 plus log 2 is going to give you log 10. So everybody good with that one? That's just what? So the next one, You got log of 96, and this computer messing up. So log of 96 minus log of 3. So what happens when you subtract logarithm? So what do you divide? And what does that give you? Log what? So the answer is going to be log 32. You do 96 divided by 3. When you subtract logarithms, you divide what's in front. Okay? Okay, y'all ready for this next one? If y'all see a ln, by the way, log, you're going to see log in the book. So log is the same thing as ln. You're going to see log and you might see ln for some problem. ln stands for natural log. Log stands for common log. They got the same properties. They just switch it up in the book. No difference. They just do it. So let's say we got this problem. This looks like a problem in the book. You got 2 ln x and you subtracting it from 3 ln y. So 2 ln x minus 3 ln y. You can't have anything to the front of the log. So, and the 3 got to come over here too. So you're going to have what? Ln x squared minus what? Ln what? Y to the third. That's a 2x. 2 ln. Remember that's a ln. That's a lowercase l. So, you got it minus. So that's the first step. Getting rid of the numbers to the left. What's the next step? Now you got to take care of that minus sign. So the answer is going to be what? Ln of x squared. See how slow this computer is? Divided by what? Y to the third. That is the answer. You can't do anything else with it because you got x squared y to the third. Yeah, the computer is glitchy. So let me write down this page number. Let's computer start. Yeah. Did I? Nah, I don't remember that. Yeah. Let me pause this.